In this video, I'll show you how you can add and edit a cover in CapCut on the PC. So first, once you're in your new CapCut project, drag on your video and then choose the dimensions. Maybe this is for TikTok and you want to add a cover for TikTok. Now what I'm going to do, we've already got the 9x16 dimension selected, so I'm just going to increase the scale of this clip. It's just a clip of some latte art. Now what you can do then is you can go to the left of the clip on the timeline, and here you'll see cover. If you go ahead and click on this, it will then show you another timeline. And what you can do from here is you can choose which part of the video you want as the cover. So let's say this part, we want a clear image showing the latte art. What we can do from here is we can go ahead and then click edit, and then it's going to open up the video cover editor. And from here we can add text, we can use a template, and we can design this however we want. I'm going to click on text and we're going to add a title sequence. Now from here I'm going to double click and I'm going to delete this and I'm going to put latte art. Then what we can do is we can highlight this and we can customize the text here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the font and we're going to increase the font size as well. Now you're going to have to play around with this. The idea of a cover is obviously to catch people's attention. So we'll go with 36. You can then change things, and you can also add a background, which might be useful. If you go ahead and add a background, I'm going to add a white background here. Now I've done that, I can actually just click on the text and then drag it so it is big. And this is going to be very, very useful for TikTok. It's going to stand out, right? So now we've got our cover. Let's say that's how we want it. We can then click save in the bottom right hand corner, and then it should save our cover. So now when we uploaded this to TikTok, we will have the chance to select the cover as the actual cover on TikTok. So anyway, that's how you can do it. You can then export your video and upload it to TikTok.